Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. I ride a bike and I vlog with the camera. How sweet is that? Beautiful day. It's not. And post down below, subscribe, share, like, show love. It's quiet, the way things should be sometimes. And yeah, I'm out here, a nice bike ride. And that's what I do. I bike and I vlog and I talk to the world through the camera's eyes. I do reviews and my channel is very supportive with a lot of sponsorships. Some reviews are very personal and a lot of views are very public wise where, hey, you like the bike lights? Man, they are great. These are the ones I use all the time. Vasfi, I can't remember the name. On the sides, they got little lights. In the front, they got two lights. And yeah, hold on to your eyes. And the light, very nice aluminum alloy. Got a power bank on the back. It has a number system of your percentage. But the rear tail light is not from the company. It's a different company, and that's the one I like as well. I do my best to present all the products onto YouTube as well as the Amazon storefront. And as always, you can say that I am the ambassador of these brands, clients, and so forth. So if you got something to say, post down below. It's time for me to get on out. Get on going. I am Fish. And thank you for stopping by. I'll see you on the next one.